Fed them yesterday. Has it made any difference? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Sunday 29th of March 2026. And it is day 42. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Yesterday we fed and watered the plants. We fertilised them and gave them all a drink. So it might be too early to tell, but I've got them all down here and we're just going to have a quick check through everything and see how they're doing. See if there's any improvement or progress. From what I'm seeing, I think there is. I think everything's looking a lot stronger. The leaves looking a lot darker. Of course, that's with the lights as well. But we'll check through everything. We can check the roots, have a little look through and make sure they're doing as well as they can be. Other than that, I hope you're doing awesome and having a great Sunday and you've had a great weekend. We've had a good weekend. It's been so cold, but me and Miss Lucy just hanging out in the warm and having a good day. And I hope you guys are too. Let's jump into it. Let's have a look at the plants at day 42. So here we have a Tabasco. We've got 3 of these. Here's the first, second, and the third. They're doing excellent. And then we've got a Poblano, tilted a bit away from the light, but we need to get that sorted. And second, looking beautiful. Here we have a Kashmiri Merch. And second, and the third. All I think are doing really, really well. Really, really good. Let's check the roots on all of these. Coming along great. I think in the next day or two we're going to see significant changes to the root system to where we may need to potentially do some transplanting. But let's have a look at the second tub. Here we have a ghost pepper. The stem on there. Here is the second. And here is the third. This one is crazy. Let's have a look at these roots. Beautiful. Right down to the bottom, all the way around the cup. Very, very nice. And here is the Scotch Bonnet MOA. And a second. And a third. And a fourth. One in the middle is looking beautiful, and the roots as well. Look at those, right down to the bottom, all the way around. Just fantastic. Next up are our striped peppers. These are doing fantastic. Right, let's go with the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey first. Here's the first one, and the second. And this third one, let's have a quick check of the roots here. Beautiful. And here is the fourth in the middle, looking great as well. Let's get to the Zebranche one here. Here's our second. Our third. Very tall, but getting strong. And here is the fourth under all of these. Let me just move these over, so I can take this one out and have a little look. Just beautiful. Still needs a bit of time on the roots, but they are coming along nicely. Probably the most leafy out of all of the peppers. Beautiful stuff. Some of the Super Hots. We've got the Carolina Reaper. Some good roots going now. Look at those. Beautiful. Getting good and strong. A nice short plant. Coming along great. It's another Carolina Reaper. A lot smaller, but coming along. And then here is the third. Just beautiful. Great roots on them. I've got a habanero, 2 of these. One little one there. And there's an even smaller one there. I've got a sweet banana, the only sweet banana plant there, but this is coming along lovely. Roots right down to the bottom as well. And here I have Zimbabwe Black. Looking very nice, just the only one I've got, but the roots are doing great right down to the bottom there. Now we have 2 Armageddons. There's one. And here is the second. Looking great. Look at those roots. Filling that bottom up nicely. All the way around. He'll soon be ready for a transplant. But yeah, some of the super hots and the super milds. The jalapeno. With those beautiful roots popping out the bottom now. Looking great. Then got the black jalapeno. There's one smaller one there. And a smaller one there. Got the cayenne next. There's one here. And one here. Let's have a look at this one. Very nice. Super tall, but good and strong. Here's a large orange Thai. These roots are popping out the bottom now, look. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. And here is a second large orange Thai. Very tall, very leafy. Looking good. But not least, we have the purple peppers. Here is a dream catcher. There's one there. Here's the second. The third. The fourth. And the fifth. And the Bueno Mulata is right here. There's a second. And there's a third. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, coming along all right. Let's have a look at this dream catcher here. We've got roots popping out the bottom now. Not much filling the cup. It's obviously getting there slowly but surely. Another look here. Yeah, these are coming along great. The purple peppers. Looking good. Okay, everything is back under the lights and looking great. So far as I can see, I mean, some of these leaves are just fantastic. I think it's made a difference. Probably not enough to tell right away, but I think the leaves are looking good. I mean, please let me know if you think differently. But I think these are coming along great now. They've taken the fertilizer really well. They've taken the bottom watering really well. They're all growing good. And hopefully soon we'll start be able to uppot them, transplant them into the grow bags, get them outside in the sun, and we'll see what happens. And that concludes day 42. I want to thank you all as always. Thank you all so much for joining us today. It means the world to me and Lucy. Cannot thank you enough. Everyone over the world watching, all around the world watching, viewing, subscribing, commenting, liking. It's so cool. Thank you. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. And once again, thank you. You take care of yourself. Have a lovely rest of your Sunday. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care, and we will see you tomorrow. We'll see you Monday for day 43. Thank you. Bye-bye.